Hello everyone! Are you frustrated by bad feeds on Instagram and want to reset them? Then don't worry, you have come to the right video. I will show you 5 steps to reset your feed on Instagram. So just follow each step without skipping any part of the video. If you find this video useful, then please consider liking and subscribing. Now, without any delay, let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application and then click on the search icon to go to the feed section. Now, if it is delivering bad content here, then first you need to clear your search history. So, tap on this search bar and then click on See All on the right side. On this page, all your recent searches will be shown. Now click on Clear All, and then on this pop-up message, just click on Clear All. As you can see, all recent searches have been removed. Now, in the second step, you have to unlike bad content posts that you might have liked earlier. To do this, click on your profile, which is right below. On your profile page, click on this menu bar, then click on your activity, and then click on Likes. Here, on the Likes page, you will see your reels and posts that you have liked earlier. Select the posts that you want to unlike, and then click on Unlike below, and again click on Unlike in this pop-up message. Now, step 3 is to utilize Not Interested content. To do this, navigate to the Instagram feed section, then select the photo or reel that you are not interested. Here, click on the 3-dot icon and simply click on Not Interested. Here, select any reason and go back to the feed. This helps the Instagram algorithm remove similar content from your feed. Now, step 4 is to optimize sensitive content. To do this, click on the profile page, click on the menu bar, scroll down, and stop at the What to See section. In this section, click on Suggested Content, and then select Sensitive Content. On the Sensitive Control page, choose Less, and then simply click on Confirm. This will show you less sensitive content. Now let's move to our 5th and last step, which is to clear cache. Just go to the mobile home screen and tap and hold the Instagram app until this option comes up. Once the option opens, click on this eye symbol. On this app info page, select Storage Usage and then click on Clear Cache. Never click on Clear Data. This is how anyone can reset their Instagram feed. Now, if you have any queries left, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a good day.